Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. First, thanks to all subscribers. Thank you for your attention. Without all your ideas, this would never have been possible. You want to use this new Apple account to log into another Apple device. Or maybe you want to replace your old Apple account that you have right here with this new one. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do this step by step. It's super simple and it just takes a few steps. So feel free to subscribe now, let's get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead here and open up Safari or your favorite browser. You can use any browser that you want. And then go to this website, which is account. As you can see, account.apple.com. Of course, I'm going to have a link in the description as well. So let's go there. And right here is the official website for managing your Apple account. As you can see right there, all you have to do is tap here at the top right corner at this arrow pointing down. Tap on it and then create your Apple account. Tap on it once again, it's going to start loading. And then right here is your typical creation process. So first name, last name, country, region, date of birth, and of course here your email. So you're going to use right here an email that you already have. It can be a Gmail. It can be an @cloud, your professional email, personal email, any email that you have. All right, so use a new email right here, password, and confirm your password. And then you're pretty much good to go. Confirm all of the information, continue, and then you're good. You have your new Apple account. And then after that, you'll be able to use this new Apple account to log into any of your Apple devices, including your own iPhone if you want that. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.